Naso, ideas in the realm of Gematria from the Parshah for the Geulah. This is Article 35. Now this article for the Parshah of Naso is actually for those who are in what they call Chutz La'aretz, which is outside the land of Israel. Because this week is the Parshah of Naso for everywhere outside of Israel. And but in the land of Israel, the Parsha is Ba'alotcha. And the reason why that is that because Shavuot was last week, and Israel only celebrates one day of Shavuot. So Friday was Shavuot, and then Shabbat was just a regular Shabbat, and the regular weekly reading resumed, Naso. So we had our regular Naso, but the regular weekly portion of Naso. But the people from outside of Israel have 2 days of Shavuot for reasons not to be explained here, maybe a different time. And Shabbat was not the regular reading, it was the holiday reading. So they left outside of Israel a week behind. So this is Parshas Naso, and I'm reading it for all those outside of Israel. And then next week, just the outside will just get the Ba'alotcha, which I'm doing for this week for Israel. So here it is. Many things we see in this Parsha are related to services and duties that were performed by the Levi'im, the Levites and Kohanim, the priests, in the Mishkan, the tabernacle, which was a pattern for the two temples, the first and second Beit HaMikdash in Jerusalem, that would come later on. The physical area of the temples in Jerusalem were shared between two ancestral tribal portions of Yehuda and Benjamin, Judah and Benjamin. The priests and the Levites did the service of the temple in the area of Yehuda and Benjamin and Benjamin. There is a gematriatic connection between the Parsha of Naso and two very famous leaders in Israel that each come from one of these two tribes, respectively. That would be the first king of Israel, King Saul, Shaul HaMelech, who came from the tribe of Benjamin, and King David, who came from the tribe of Yehuda, of Judah. In Gematria, the name Shaul plus David, Shaul is 337 and David is 14, and that makes 351. And in fact, our Parsha of Naso, the word Naso, Nun, Shin, Aleph, has a numerical value of exactly 351. Shabbat Shalom. Have a great Shabbos.